What's up, guys? Today I have your butt building routine. So this is all about the booty. I'm gonna walk you guys through all the movements first, and then we'll do the whole thing together all out. Starting out, we have some half squat pulses. These ones are fun. They will get the legs burning. It's a beautiful day in the park. If you hear any noise, I'm sorry. That is just because we're in this beautiful spot. So bring your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Sink down into your squat position. So my hips are back, my knees are over my toes, and I'm going to pulse in this position. So about an inch in either direction, pulsing, letting the thighs burn it out. We're doing that for 30 seconds. After those squat pulses, we are doing a diagonal back step, or as I have called them before, duck walks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit nice and low into a squat position and walk. If you wanna put your hands on your hips or your hands up here, that's okay. We're gonna walk 10 times doing these duck walks. So staying low as you walk. It feels a little funny, you feel like a duck, but that's okay. So 10 duck walks. After that, we are going to do a surrender. This one may be a little bit troublesome for people with knee problems. If you can do on a soft spot, I would recommend doing some sort of carpeted or cushiony mat to make it a little bit better for you. If you can't do that, you can always do some sort of squat or standing squats, squat jumps, etc. So surrenders, coming down to your knees, bring your knees hip width, and staying low, you're going to step your right leg forward, left leg forward, staying low, right leg down, left leg down. So notice my upper body hardly moves. I'm just stepping onto my feet and then back to my knees. So we're doing 10 surrenders. After that, we're gonna do glute kickback. So 10 on each leg, bringing our feet hip width apart, soft bend in our knees, bring our hips tucked, abs engaged. Send our right leg back so our leg is straight, not touching the ground without untucking our hips. We're gonna squeeze our butt as you kick your leg. So I wanna kick my heel up. The back of my leg stays facing back, my chest is up, my abs are in, and my hips are tucked under. And without untucking my hips, none of this, without untucking my hips, I'm gonna squeeze my butt and activate my glutes. So 10 of those on either leg. And last but not least, we have some butt kicks. So we're gonna finish it out just doing our butt kicks. I'm actually kicking my butt, so try to kick your butt for 30 seconds. If you need, you can always just stand in place. If you can't do any sort of jumping motion, and kick your butt like so. All right, guys, that is your butt building routine. Let's do the whole thing together, all out. All right, so starting out, we've got these half squat pulses. Bring your feet a little wider than your hips, feet slightly turned down on the diagonal, sink nice and low into your chair, clasp those hands in front of you, and pulse for 30 seconds here. We've got 30 seconds on the clock. I'll count for you. You don't have to count. Sit nice and low. Feel the butt burn. So my hips are pressed backwards here. My knees are directly over my toes. You can put your hands here, wherever you'd like. Sticking that booty out behind you. My chest is still lifted here. Make sure you're breathing. Chest is lifted. We've got 3 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Legs are burning to start that off. Right into our duck walks. Come back to that nice low squat position and walk. So staying low. Remember, we've got 10 of these. Stay nice and low in that squat position. Beautiful. Awesome job. Now, right into our surrenders, we're gonna come down to our mat. Bring your knees a little wider than your hips and come to these surrenders. Both feet up is 1 and down. So that's 1, staying low at 5. I'm gonna switch, starting with my left leg first. So staying nice and low, coming just knees to feet. Remember, try to use a soft, cushy spot just to support your knees. 1 more, starting with the right leg. Awesome job. Stay low, feel the burn in the glutes and the thighs here. Now left leg first. Chest stays lifted the whole time. Shoulders are back. Keep going, stay with me. You got 2 more. 1 more. And you get to stand after this. Beautiful. All right, right into those glute kickbacks, starting with our right leg. I'm gonna turn to the side to show you, and go. Kick and kick. So I'm flexing my foot here. My leg is straight, never untucking my hips. Halfway. Breathing, shoulders back. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Same thing, other side. Feet hip width. Send that leg back. Soft bend, straight leg, abs tucked in, and press. Flexing my foot. We got 6, 7, squeeze, activate the glutes. 9, 10. Awesome job. And last but not least, let's get some butt kicks in. 30 seconds, last movement. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick that booty. I want to see you actually kick your butt. Nice and high. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Chest up. Remember, if you need to modify, you can always step and do your butt kicks, or you can jog it out doing those butt kicks. Keep at it. You're so close. Don't stop now. Here we go. This is it for 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, you guys. That was amazing. That was your butt building routine. If you like that, we've got other workouts for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.